Hello, good evening. Here's Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Tuesday, the 22nd of March. Okay, we have a lot of things popping today, so I'm going to do a fast-paced session today, see if we can kind of catch up with all the opportunities out there. Starting off with Bitcoin, it's breaking above our descending pattern, although I don't know if we're going to see this upper trend line turn into resistance up here, and I suspect that maybe it is. So we're going to watch out for this aggressive buy. Remember, the aggressive buys, you want to wait for the close above that level, and right now it's not closing above that level, and that would be a close into, what is it, 0 UTC, which we're probably about 5 hours away at this point. Here's Ethereum, has broken out nicely above our aggressive buy at about 2,800. So far it's up to about 3,000, looking pretty good. Continuing with the top 20 here, this is BNB right at that trend line, so this may be a buy signal fairly soon. Ripple, not really getting anywhere, right at our buy point, but still not seeing a close above that level at about 85 cents. Here's Luna. Luna's been very strong lately. We did have a buy signal up here at 96. Okay, 96 buy signal, but we haven't had a close above that level yet. So we've had false breakouts above 96. Cardano finally getting back to the trend line. Here is Solana getting to the trend line. Here is Avalanche coming up to the trend line as well too. We have tons of these coins that are getting to this point. Polkadot is right at the buy point at 20. Remember, we want to close above that level. Here's Dogecoin getting up to the descending pattern as well too. Shiba, and here is Polygon, nowhere close to a buy point yet. Kronos getting close but not yet there. Here is Cosmos, Atom versus US dollar, quite a ways away from a buy point. Litecoin quite a ways away from a buy point as well too. Near Protocol closing in on the buy point of 12. Chainlink is coming up to that buy point at about 16. And surprisingly, Bitcoin Cash has been one of the stronger coins, certainly breaking above that that descending trend line. And I'd say this is a buy point here at about 358. We're not really watching Bitcoin Cash though, but this would be a buy point at a breakout above 358, 360. All right, looking at our Cosmos projects, the only ones that are positive today, or the only one, is Kronos, which is still not at the buy point. When we go to our Harmony projects, right now we have Sushi is showing some strength today, but nowhere close to our buy point. Metaverse sector is fairly strong today. This is Decentraland, not quite yet at our aggressive buy. Here is Wax Protocol, not there yet. Here is, this is Silo, right at our aggressive buy, and so far it looks pretty good for the aggressive buy, which is about, this is 0.5 cents. Next one is Somnium Space Cubes. I don't think I want to be in this one until it gets above the 200-day moving average in green. And this is a Luxo token, nowhere near buy point. Render token is getting there. I would say we want to be somewhere up in this area before it starts to assume an uptrend. And then finally, Sandbox is getting close to a potential, not only a death cross, but also a buy point up here at about 350. Here's the NFT sector. This one's been slammed lately. The Luxo token, we've looked at this. This is Rarible getting close to a buy point. Flow, quite a ways away from a buy point. And My Neighbor Alice, still below the buy point. Lastly, for today, we'll look at the DeFi sector. This is Loopring, not anywhere near a buy point yet. Here's Synthetics, getting close to a buy point. Again, we're seeing some pretty good green here. Thorchain has been super strong lately, but needs a pause, and we've talked about this. This is a conservative buy up here, but more than likely we're going to see this sort of slow down as we've gone into exhaustion on the daily chart and consolidate. It's doing exactly what it needs to do. This might be a good time to acquire it on a dip in price, whether or not you want to. Well, the aggressive buy is long gone, but at this point, if you want to hold off on a little bit for the conservative buy until we get this closer to full energy once again. Okay, so that is Thorchain. DIA is nowhere near an aggressive buy. We also have Curve Dow token is closing in on an aggressive buy. And lastly for today, Sushi is quite a ways away from an aggressive buy, still trying to get out of the basement here. All right, that's a quick spin around the markets and what we're watching right now. Thanks for listening, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.